Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 29 of our Bitsgap follow along, and so we're going to jump right in. So if you were with us yesterday, we started out with adding a BTC 3S, and it looks like so far that's doing really it's doing decent for us here. We've made $1 in profit. That has seen 58 transactions at the 30 grid mark. And so that is, the bot profit is around 2%. So if you remember, we started with $75 and we are at $76.13 in value. So it's about, it's going to average out to be about 2.10% a day. You can look at the chart and it looks like it's doing well there. So very good on that. We'll leave that going. Our Ethereum 3S, which is another leverage token on KuCoin that we're running, that has done $8 in profit, which is equivalent to about 8.11% overall, 2.70%. Very good, right at the mark that we're looking to keep it at. And the winner so far is our FTM 3S leverage token short here. And that has seen $19 in profit, 15.99% overall bot profit, for an average of 5.33% overall in the last 3 days and 15 hours. So very good there. Looks to be that our 3Ss are doing really well. These are all classic bots that we're running, and very good performance so far. So we're going to leave those running. Our Luna BTC has done 84 cents in profit. We are actually running, this is a BTC pair, so the USD value doesn't necessarily matter. What matters is our value in BTC. So, but overall, it's only been running for 5 days. We're going to leave that going. And then our BTC 3L, obviously, that's been running for 5 days, and that is down right now. It's made $1 in profit. However, it's out of range because BTC has gone down. So we're going to leave this running though and see what we can do with it. We only did a $50 test, and that was just to let it go and see how it'll perform over 30 days with the classic bot. Our Elon, same thing. It's made $9 in profit, just not moving really any, 0.13% overall in 25 days. Yushi and Floki both out of funds and down 28%. We'll probably close these out here at the 30-day mark and just be done with it. I did these originally, if you've been following along, to test the Gate.io performance and see how it does, and it's done fine. It's just that these are just not very good pairs. I made quite a bit of money with these two coins early on, took profit, and just decided to try to run some grid bots with some of the leftover free coins. Then it just hasn't really done much. I mean, you can see down 28%, down 23%, just in the change of it dumping off. So not that great there. And then our Shiba USDT is $22 in profit, 5.16% overall, 0.18% over the last 29 days. This is one that we're just leaving running. Just it's a classic bot. Actually, we're running the S bot on this on Coinbase Pro. And if we zoom out here on our 20 grids, you can see it's followed the chart as it should. Just not really anything crazy going on with this pair, so we'll leave it going and see what happens. We might close it out here at on tomorrow and free up that cash. We'll see. After the 30-day mark, after the 1 month mark, we will reevaluate these things and see. But that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions, leave those below. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.